What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here. It's been 3 years on YouTube. I still don't know how to do a cool intro. I'm working on that shoulder shake though. I think that might be it. Probably not. I should probably keep that for the dance floor. Been salsa dancing a lot in Miami. Anyway, in this video I'm going to go over 3 things you need to do before starting wholesale. Number one, these are simple things. Number one is obviously you need to create an Amazon seller account. If you don't have an Amazon seller account yet, I will link a video below. And this video has exactly step-by-step everything you need to do. There's small things you need to make sure, like your bank statement address needs to match up with your Amazon address. The pictures can't be blurry. I go over everything in that video. So number one, make sure you have an active seller account. I would get on this as soon as possible because it can take 2 weeks to set up your account. They have to mail you a postcard. They have to, this postcard. It is a postcard, but it sounds funny. It's not like a Valentine's letter. It's literally like an OTP code, verify your address, and they actually do a Zoom call with you as well. Something new they've been doing. It can take 2 weeks. It can take even longer. I smell some cat throw up, but we're gonna keep it rolling. Number two, the second thing you need to do is make sure that you have an LLC set up. Now, when it comes to thrifting, when it comes to having like a regular Amazon business where you're not doing wholesale, this is not necessary. But if you're starting wholesale, you absolutely need an LLC. The reason why is you're gonna have to set up accounts with distributors, maybe even the brand owner, to order directly from them, to place large orders for product, and they're not going to want to do business with you if you're not an actual business. So make sure you have an LLC set up. Tip number 3 is make sure that you have at least one sourcing method for purchasing product as soon as possible. I follow Watch Me Amazon, Amazon Lit. These guys have great advice on sourcing. Also, 2 of my mentors up in Kentucky, Dan and Dylan, who are actually putting on a free live training. All these guys have slightly different methods on finding inventory, but you need one method that is consistent where you can get every month, you can source $5,000 in inventory. And so if you're interested in learning how to source for free, Dan and Dylan will be putting on a live training. Click the link below. You probably shouldn't. I promise I have pants on in this video, guys. It looks like I'm pointing for you guys to like look something down there. I promise there's nothing going on there. All right. Anyway, click the link below. The link's somewhere down there. I shoot a lot of videos without pants on, but I just wanted to clarify. I do have pants on in this video. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, that's really it. Just make sure you have a method to source product. And Amazon Lit, Watch Me Amazon, my wholesale coach in Florida, they all preach, you want to do business with as much sources as you want. I'm pretty sure Watch Me Amazon says that. I know Amazon Lit says that, and my wholesale coach does. What you want to do with their philosophy is build relationships with as many distributors as possible, run the wholesale list, buy profitable inventory. Now, Dan and Dylan, they take a different approach, which is a little bit more work, but you can get items with higher ROI, and it's not as risky because what they're doing, and the other guys do this as well, Amazon Lit and Watch Me Amazon, you build relationships directly with the manufacturers. Difference with Dan and Dylan is they tell you not to build relationships with distributors. There's not really even a relationship there with the distributor. It's more of there is a relationship, but you got to realize distributors are doing business with tons and tons of Amazon sellers, where if you have direct access directly to the brand, then what you're able to do is have exclusivity to the product. Maybe there's some sort of agreement where they only sell to you, and you help them build their Amazon business by optimizing the listing. I talk about this in other videos. This is really Dan and Dylan's approach, is you help them provide value. You provide them value by taking better pictures, having better graphics, optimizing keywords, doing all of this stuff on the Amazon listing to get more traffic. If they get more traffic, they get more sales, they get more orders from you and maybe even other Amazon sellers. But again, if you get exclusivity with a brand, that's the cream of the crop. That's the best case scenario, meaning that they're not going to do business with anybody else, because in a way you are their account rep. You're their Amazon expert that's going to allow them to optimize their listing. If they have any questions about Amazon, anything related to Amazon, you are the person they go to. So it's very important that you invest in yourself and you learn how to be an Amazon expert, because then you're going to be more valuable to these other brand owners, manufacturers. You can go directly to the source now, because now you are an asset to them. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys want to sign up for the free training, click the link below. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all this content I've been pushing out. If you guys do enjoy the content, go ahead and hit somewhere around here, like button, subscribe button, go ahead and hit that. Without further ado, let's cut to the outro. Peace out.